Hey everyone, want to do a quick video on the CV Fabrication aluminum intercooler pipes or charge pipes for the 2.3 liter Ford Bronco. This is for the 21 through 24 model years. These are also compatible with a 2024 Ford Ranger with the 2.3 liter. So this video is just going to be a basic overview, my thoughts on the CVF charge pipes, and then a quick installation video to show you how to actually install them. So right off the bat, I've had these on here for quite a while now. I can honestly say they've been a really nice addition to my overall build. Now, one thing about charge pipes, if you're looking for massive horsepower increases and things like that, charge pipes are not going to do that, right? They just don't. Now, what charge pipes will do is they will increase your throttle response slightly and allow the turbo to spool a little bit quicker. That's pretty much the biggest thing that you're going to feel after you install the charge pipes. Now, these do include T-bolt clamps, which are really good, and they use pretty thick rubber couplers. Now, that obviously will help with making sure that these do not blow off or come loose under high boost applications. So yeah, the fit and finish is actually really nice on this as well. So the biggest improvement on the charge pipes is actually not on the hot side. It's actually more so on the cold side. So the cold side is about 2.75 inches in diameter, which I believe is about a 70% increase of flow over the stock unit. So that's actually going to be the biggest change here, is going to be on your cold side. Now on the hot side, it's not as big. I think it's around 10% increased flow, so not as big of an increase. But the flow path in itself is definitely improved compared to the OEM units. Now the charge pipe comes with, they come with 1/8 inch NPT bungs. And so if you're interested in running, meth injection or something like that, you have that option. So there's one on the cold side, and there's one on the hot side, and there's one on the cold side. Now, quick note about these charge pipes. You probably see I have an aftermarket blow-off valve. This is a Turbo Smart blow-off valve for the 2.3 liter and 2.7 liter Ford Bronco. Now, these do not work with the charge pipes out of the box. They just don't. So CV Fabrication is revising this piece of the charge pipe to accommodate Turbo Smart blow-off valves and Boomba spacers, other types of blow-off valve spacers, and so on. So at the time of this video, which is in March, the revised portion of this charge pipe should be on the market within a month. So if you want to wait, if you want to order it now and then reach out to CV Fab for the updated part, that's up to you. But it will not work with an aftermarket blow-off valve. Now you're probably asking, well, why do you have one on your Bronco right now? Well, there's a reason for that. There's a user over in the Bronco 6G forums that came up with a solution using a machine bushing that you can buy from Lowe's or Home Depot for a couple of bucks. I can post it in the link if anybody's interested, but you will have to essentially put the bushing in a vise, and you will have to drill or snip some portions of the bushing to allow each one of these screws to go through. But all it really does is it acts as a spacer. So the real reason is because this portion of the charge pipe, the section that attaches to the blow-off valve is too high. And so when you install your Turbo Smart blow-off valve or your spacer, it's not leaving enough room for the plunger to actively disengage and engage properly. So this is the fix. It does work perfectly, no problems, no leaks. But again, it's just something to keep in mind. So if you want to do an aftermarket blow-off valve, then I suggest either waiting to order these until the revision is done, or just reach out to CV Fabrication when it's released. But if you're just using the stock blow-off valve or diverter valve or bypass valve, what they call it, you don't have to worry about it. It works just fine. So that's something to keep in mind. Just wanted to share that with you all. Right now, these are probably the best bang for your buck on the market. Out of the box, they're about $375. Now, keep in mind, CV Fabrication does not charge tax. They don't charge shipping, and they have a lifetime warranty. So that $375 is what you are paying. I'm an affiliate with CV Fabrication, so if you use my code FULLSPEED, you'll save an extra 5%, which brings the total cost down to $356. Again, no tax, no shipping, lifetime warranty. So it's kind of the best bang for your buck, in my opinion. Same thing with their Pro Performance intake. I'm all about a deal. I'm all about saving some money when it comes to performance modifications. Charge pipes and intakes, they're all very similar. Really, you're not going to see a huge increase in performance by swapping to another. It's just sometimes people like brand names and they want to stick with that, whatever. That's their decision. But I will say from a price to performance perspective, they're pretty much unbeatable. Now, I do have these attached to a CV Fabrication performance intercooler at the front of my Bronco as well. No problems there. They also will work with a stock intercooler. So yeah, no problems at all. I've been super happy with these. I'm running a custom tune on my Ford Bronco. So this, along with the intake, along with the exhaust, and the custom tune, it's running really, really good right now. So I'll have some updates to share on my Bronco in the future. So get subscribed if you're interested in seeing more about that. But I will go ahead and jump into the installation portion of this video to help you guys with the install. It is a step-by-step install. Just make sure to disconnect your negative battery cable before you do the installation. And that's it. So if you have any questions about these charge pipes, then feel free to leave them in the comments section. But thanks for checking out the video.